I have Sonic. I got the small, like the regular size chili cheese coney, mozzarella sticks, and a pretzel. Okay, so the pretzel comes with a signature cheese sauce. I haven't ever had their pretzels, but it's been popping up on my For You page. So I'm gonna give it a try. It's delicious. Like, it is super like warm and soft. I got a strawberry limeade. So here's this. Hopefully, this looks like it's gonna be one hell of a mess, so. Very tasty. Very messy though. Like, this is messy to eat. I couldn't imagine eating the full out one. I thought about it. Did not. Chose to get a soft pretzel instead. Okay, time for the mozzie sticks.